sweet fig jam, salty prosciutto, creamy tangy blue cheese, and peppery arugula all together make this one of my favorite pizzas. It's perfect served hot out of the pizza oven or even at room temperature. This satisfies every single taste bud. You guys are gonna love it, so let me show you how to make this at home in your pizza oven. The combination of sweet fig jam, the creamy blue cheese, some salty prosciutto, finished off with a peppery arugula, this is absolutely one of my favorite go-to pizzas. It's perfect hot out of the pizza oven, or you can serve it at room temperature. For this special pizza, we definitely need to make our own pizza dough. With only a handful of ingredients, making your own pizza dough can be so quick and easy. You can do this by hand, but I am using my stand mixer. We start off with 1 cup of warm water. You want your water to be between 105 and 115 degrees. Into our mixing bowl that goes with 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, along with 1 tablespoon of local honey. Give this a mix to help it start to dissolve. You'll want to let this hang out in the mixing bowl for a good 10 minutes until it becomes nice and foamy and frothy. This is how you know that your yeast is active and alive and ready to make you a delicious pizza crust. If it doesn't get foamy after 10 minutes, you'll want to start over with new yeast. Our 10 minutes is up, it's nice and foamy, so let's add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Now you can use regular table salt if you want to. I love how garlic salt gives it that extra pop of flavor. Follow that with 2 tablespoons of regular olive oil. And we're gonna use anywhere between 2.5 to 3 cups of bread flour. Using bread flour is gonna give us that beautiful crispy crust that I love, and it's nice and chewy and soft on the inside. We'll slowly start to mix this together, adding flour a little at a time. You'll go for about 4 to 5 minutes until all of your dough releases from the sides. It should be tacky but not stick to anything when you touch it. We'll use some extra virgin olive oil to grease all of our sides of a glass bowl, and then using your hands to help shape your dough into a nice ball, we'll add it to our oiled bowl. Cover this with some saran wrap or plastic wrap, a nice warm kitchen towel, and let this hang out inside in your kitchen at room temperature for a good 30 to 60 minutes or until it doubles in size. Now that our dough has doubled in size, it's time to make my favorite pizza. I've got all my ingredients needed, which is just a few simple things you can find in any local grocery store. Down goes some semolina flour onto my work surface, and then my pizza dough. I'm gonna split this in half. This will make 2 14-inch pizzas. We'll begin using our fingertips to stretch out and shape our round pizza, or as round as you can make it. Don't worry if it's not perfectly round. Now, to help prevent any air bubbles in this pizza, I'm gonna use a fork and just put tiny little pricks all along the center of our pizza. Once that's done, we've got to get this up onto our pizza peel with a little extra semolina to help it. And now it's time to load this pizza up. We'll start with our sweet fig jam, gently spread all along our pizza, and then I'm gonna hand crumble on some of our blue cheese. Our pizza oven is preheated and ready to go, so I'm gonna turn down the heat to low. With the touch of a button, I can stop our rotating pizza stone to make launching this pizza quick and easy. Into the pizza oven this goes. I'm gonna allow this to go for about 2 minutes on the lowest setting. You'll begin to see that fig jam bubble up as it gets hotter and hotter, and your blue cheese will begin to melt. For the last 30 to 60 seconds, I like to bump the heat up to high. This way, my crust gets nice and charred. You can go as light or dark in color as you like. I often do like my pizza well done. Today I'm gonna go for a little bit lighter. I like it just that perfect deep golden brown when it comes to this specific pizza. I think this is just stunning as is. I could eat it just like this, but we're gonna finish it off with some hand-torn salty prosciutto, making sure to spread this out evenly so each slice gets a good amount of prosciutto. A handful of our peppery fresh arugula, a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and just for the heck of it, some extra blue cheese. This pizza does not need any seasoning. All of the ingredients together really hit all of your taste buds, from sweet to creamy to salty, peppery, crispy, and chewy. I just know you guys are gonna love this. This one is definitely a family style favorite around here, a must try in my book. Whether I'm making it or one of my sisters are making it and bringing it to our parties, everyone always goes crazy over it. So I hope you guys try it. When you do, be sure to post a picture and tag Blackstone products and tag me, Blackstone Betty. Don't forget to shop griddlenation.com, where you can find this t-shirt along with plenty of other designs. Now go make this pizza. I cannot wait to see who is enjoying this just as much as me and my family do. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.